Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your VW Beetle carburetor. First, ensure your engine is fully warmed up to its normal operating temperature. This is crucial for accurate adjustments. Next, carefully check for any potential vacuum leaks around the carburetor and intake manifold, as these can significantly affect performance. Finally, gather your necessary tools, such as a flathead screwdriver for adjustments and a tachometer to monitor engine revolutions per minute. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's set the idle speed. Locate the larger idle speed screw on the side of your carburetor. Turning this screw clockwise will increase the engine's revolutions per minute, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease them. Using your tachometer, aim for an idle speed between 750 and 900 revolutions per minute. This range typically provides optimal performance and prevents stalling. Adjust slowly and observe the tachometer carefully to achieve the desired setting for a smooth, consistent idle. Next, we'll fine-tune the air-fuel mixture. Locate the smaller, often recessed, mixture screw on your carburetor. Begin by slowly turning the screw clockwise until the engine just starts to stumble or run roughly. This indicates a lean mixture. Then, gradually turn the screw counterclockwise, listening carefully for the engine to smooth out and reach its highest, most consistent revolutions per minute. This precise adjustment ensures efficient combustion and optimal engine performance, providing a balanced air-fuel ratio for your Beetle. After adjusting both the idle speed and the air-fuel mixture, it's important to perform a few final checks. First, reconfirm your idle speed with the tachometer to ensure it remains within the 750 to 900 revolutions per minute range. Then, take your VW Beetle for a test drive. Pay close attention to acceleration, looking for any hesitation or flat spots. If you continue to experience performance issues, or if you're unsure about any step, consider consulting a qualified mechanic for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.